Welcome back to RamZland. We're learning about decomposition reactions, and we've got a penny in a flask filled with, well, what kind of acid, Joseph, is in there? Starts with an N. What kind of acid do we put in there?
I can tell.
Nitrogen?
That's really close. What kind of acid's in there?
Or nitric acid? Or
Nitric acid.
Nitric, yeah.
And we've got a penny in there, and we're starting to see it decompose, and it's releasing a gas. And you can see the penny over here on the side. There's the penny, and you can see that it's starting to float now. That doesn't look right. Pennies aren't supposed to float. Why is the gas brown? Why do you guys think that the gas is that brownish color?
That's the color of the penny.
It's the color of the penny, yeah. So, and it's got kind of a stale smell to it.
It tastes like the penny.
And if you look at the top, you can actually see the penny is decomposing so much that it's floating. You see the penny floating there?
Yeah.
Now we know that the law of conservation of mass and energy says what?
That energy can be created or destroyed.
It can't be created or destroyed. So where is this penny going? Where is it going right now?
Into the atmosphere.
It's going into the atmosphere, and some of us are going to breathe a little penny today. Some of it's going to go out the window over there. Some of it's going to go out the door over here. Mr. Weisenbach is going to probably smell a little bit of that penny.
Breathing penny.
Right, breathing penny.
penny.
And
I like that penny.
That penny, although it's getting smaller and smaller, it doesn't mean that it's gone. It just means that it's breaking down into smaller particles, and we call that decomposition. Decomposition. And I would wager in another 2 minutes, you won't even see the penny. It'll be completely gone. Now, this is an exothermic reaction, so I want you to touch the sides of the flask and tell me if it's warm. Touch the sides. Because it wasn't hot when we started this, was it?
No, it was a bit cold.
So this, so this reaction is exothermic.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Because it's releasing heat.
So what we're doing in 6th grade right now is talking about energy transfers. So where's the energy being transferred to?
To the
Yeah.
air.
But what other type of energy is it being transformed into?
Touch the flask. Touch it again.
Touch it.
What'd you say?
You used the right word. What was that word?
You guys are both kind of
Exothermic?
Thermal energy. Right.
So the energy is being transformed or transferred into thermal energy, right?
Let's zoom in on that penny again. It's still floating.
Yep.
Now we know pennies aren't supposed to float. It's decomposing. It's getting so small
It's defying laws.
that it's almost.
Size of it like a pea.
Look at that.
It's almost gone.
Don't sniff that up.
Decomposing pennies in RamZland. How cool is that?